powered by National Link.
Move towards the back of the ATM to open it and expose the inside of the unit. Proceed to the lower section of the front bezel, allowing clear visibility of the keypad. Make sure the model number says B3 to proceed with this tutorial. Locate the 3 sets of pins on the left side. The reset pins are at the bottom of the bigger connector directly above the indicator lights. Use the provided jumper if the keypad came with one, or a key or screwdriver to short the 2 pins at the same time and ensure they stay connected for the next step. Move to the top of the unit and switch off the power. Return to the keypad and remove the jumper or disconnect the tool that used to short the pins. Return to the power supply and turn it back on. Once the screen displays the out-of-service error with key management indicated in the bottom right corner, the process is complete.